How to fix Roblox critical system files or corrupted error. Now, this specific error message usually happens if you run or is using the Roblox launcher. Now, what you want to do is just to uninstall and reinstall your Roblox launcher. Now, you just need to make sure that you're uninstalling it properly. Now, first things first is head down to your Windows icon. Simply type in uninstall and then choose the one that is below on your settings, which is going to be add or remove programs. Then what you want to do next is go to the search this list and simply type in Roblox, and this is going to be the launcher that you need to uninstall. So once you have successfully uninstalled it, go back to your Roblox on the web version and to download the legitimate or the working Roblox launcher is you just need to open up any experience so that you will be redirected to the download area of the correct file. And that's it. That's how you fix Roblox critical system files or corrupted error.